So hi guys, today we are going to bake a cherry chocolate cake, and here are my ingredients. I'm having some sugar, 200 grams. I am having my margarine here. You can as well use butter if you like. I got some chocolate flakes. Yeah, that's how they look like. Yeah, my chocolate flakes. And I got my cherry. I bought them also from the supermarket, so you can check them from your supermarket near you. And I got my eggs, which I've already put them in a bowl. This is my eggs. And I got my baking powder. This is my baking powder. You can use any, whichever you want to use. So and I got my flour. This is my flour, all-purpose flour, so you can use any. And it depends with how big you want to bake your cake. So I am having my 150 ml, and yeah. So, and I got here my all-purpose flour. Guys, this is my all-purpose flour. You can use any if you want. And wheat flour, that is wheat flour, but all-purpose. And this is 330 gram. And my chocolate flakes, for your information, it is 100 gram. Yeah, so we are going to add it. I first want to mix all my ingredients, and then I'll show you guys how it's working. Okay. zu zeigen. Ohne mich zu zeigen und nicht den ganzen. So, komm jetzt von der Seite. Komm langsam. Komm langsam, komm langsam. Langsam, langsam zeigt, dass ich komme. Langsam. Langsam. Langsam zeigt.